So if I wanted to get a remote job like now, like I want to make 100k now, this is what, in fact, exactly what I am going to do. And I'm not going to tell you, oh, go to this app, oh, go to this website. This is something that I actually do. I've made over 1 million naira plus on this platform because I simply promote digital products, and this is like what the money looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So if I wanted to make 100k right now, or I want to get a remote job now, this is exactly what I'm going to do. But before we go into the video, just watch this series of videos.
My goal this year is to make my first 50 million with the skills I already have and maybe learn some other more. And this is how I plan to achieve it.
My first million at 19, and I figured, why don't I do a story time and tell you guys how I did it?
With me, I tell you how I made my first 10 million naira online before I turned 22.
By 25, I had hit my first million.
So you come online, everybody keeps telling you, I made my first million naira at 19. Oh, do this to make your first 1 million naira. All these are just noises. And now, if you want to follow my process, this is exactly how I'm going to do it. First thing, I want to go to my browser, Safari, Chrome, whichever browser it is that you're using, Opera Mini, and search for Staycut.com. I'm going to put a video here while I'm explaining all of this. Search for Staycut.com. Then after searching for Staycut.com, you are going to create a free account on Staycut. Do you hear what I say? This one is not seller, this is not expert, yeah, this is not prompt end that you have to pay before you be able to use it. This is completely free. You create a free account on Staycut. So now when you are done with creating your account on Staycut, you want to go to your profile and then put in your details like your bank account details. So in case you make any sale of any digital product, your money will be sent to your account. Do you understand? So you fill in your details, your account details, your name, your everything about you, you just fill it in that place. Then after that, I want to believe that you've already done that. So now on your Staycut, you go to Staycut Marketplace. Thank God all the direction will be here. You go to Staycut Marketplace. There are an array of digital products that you can choose from health niche to finance niche to make money online to education to weight loss. Whichever niche you are interested in, it is all there. But I would say if you want to start anything like making money online, just go for the make money online niche, which is finance, because everybody wants to learn how to make money. Yes, everybody wants to learn. So that will be an easier course or product that you can sell. So now you've gotten the digital product. Let's say I choose to sell this product. All I'm going to do is click on the promote button, copy my link, and next thing I'm going to do is to create a social media presence. Yes, you heard me correctly. You are going to create a social media presence, and then you start creating content that relates with that product. Let's say I'm into make money online niche, or I choose to sell a digital marketing course. I'm going to start creating content on how to make money online. Maybe top 5 skills any girl can learn if you want to learn how to make money online. The right mindset if you want to make the most of any skill that you pay to learn. You get content relating to how to make money online. I'm going to start creating that kind of content on my socials. That way, your target audience, instead of you telling them, oh, come and buy my products, they will come to you instead because you are providing value. Imagine somebody that maybe let's assume you have an acne prone skin, and then one vendor is telling you, buy 100 from me today, patronize me today, do this one. She's it's more like giving a command, buy from me. You will not want to buy from her. Okay, let's say this vendor is telling you every day she just post her product and say, buy 100 from me today. Then the other vendor, on the other hand, every day she comes online, she'll talk about different types of skin and different kinds of acne and how you can treat them. Or she talks about different skincare products that you can use to treat any type of acne that you have. So which vendor do you think that you will go with? The one that give you educational content, or the one that you just tell you to buy her products? Obviously you will go for the one that is giving you educational content. So now this is what I mean. So any product you decide to sell, give educational content on it, so your audience will come to you and they will convince themselves to even buy from you, because they'll be like, oh, she's actually an expert in this, I should buy from her. You see, they're convincing themselves in your DM. Remember I told you this is actually how I made my first million online. Though I'm going to make a story time separately on how I actually made my first million, but this video is just all about if I desperately wanted to make 100k now, what would I do? Starting it all over so you will understand it. The first thing I said is you want to go to your browser and search for Staycut.com. Very good. Second thing you want to do is to create a free account on Staycore. Then you put in your login details, your bank account details, just fill in your details there after creating the free account. So once you make a sale, your money will be sent to your Stellar account, your Staycore account, sorry. So that is the second. The third thing you want to do now is to create a social media presence. Create a social media presence and start talking about it. The fourth thing you want to do is to create educational videos. What did I say? Create educational videos relating to the product you decide to sell. And when you do all of these things, don't forget to come back and thank me. Yeah, I hope this was really helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share it to your friend, because we obviously want to make money. I'm a student, you're a student, your friend is a student. So share these videos to 1 or 2 or 3 students that you know will really need this video. Until then, see you in my next video.